Learn how to create this chalkboard menu design using the Ultimate Lettering Toolbox chalk set. Hi, my name is Nico Ng, and I'll be guiding you through the process, sharing the brushes used in each step. You have two options. You can watch the entire video first to get an overview, or you can follow along, pausing after each step to create alongside me. Let's get started by creating a new canvas. I'm using the screen size for this artwork. Stamp the menu grid temple using the chalkboard grid rose brush on a new layer and adjust the sections. Draw the illustrations needed for the coffee menu board using the hard chalk pencil. A shot of espresso and water, a chocolate bar, a cappuccino cup, a cafe latte glass mug, a milkshake, and some tea leaves. Write the words cafe latte and americano in brush script using the thick, chalky brush. Draw the word macchiato in serif using the flat side fill brush and refine the word using the hard chalk pencil. Draw the word cafe mocha using the flat side fill brush in black letter and refine the word using the hard chalk pencil. Draw the word cappuccino using the chalk stick brush and refine it using the hard chalk pencil. Draw the smaller text of your menu design, the ingredients, the percentages, milkshake, and tea titles using the dustless chalk. Stamp in the menu item dots with the lined list maker brush. Write the menu items for the milkshakes and teas and their prices using the chalk stick and hard chalk pencil. Then adjust the dots properly. Add the prices of the other coffee items using the chalk stick and the hard chalk pencil. Add a chalk texture to the dots using the chalk texturizer eraser. Decorate the cafe latte lettering with some sparkles using the chalk round sparkle filled stamp. Decorate the macchiato lettering with some swirls using the ornamental chalk divider 1 stamp and enhance the chalk texture using the chalk texturizer eraser. Decorate the cafe mocha lettering with thin rays using the fine chalky brush. Add stars to the americano lettering using the chalk liner stars brush, and add sparkles to the cappuccino and milkshake lettering using the chalk line sparkle and chalk bright sparkle stamps, and add leaves around the tea section using the chalk leaf stamp. Add a background texture on a new layer using the chalkboard seasoning and adjust the layer's opacity. Stamp in some ornamental swirls to the header section using the ornamental chalk dividers 5, 3, and 1. Create the coffee menu title using the chalk stick and the hard chalk pencil brushes. Add horizontal inline stripes inside the letters using the chalk liner slant pattern brush. Draw a line, distort it to horizontal, and duplicate it to fill in the areas of the letters. Rearrange the ornamental swirls and redraw them with thick and thin strokes using the thick chalky brush. Replace the border and section lines with patterns using the chalk liner zigzag and chalk liner bars. Color the illustrations and adjust the texture opacity. And we are done. Check out the other videos in this Ultimate Lettering Toolbox series and learn how to draw ink, vintage, retro sign, graffiti, and watercolor lettering artworks. See you in the next video.